everyone, my name is Kat, and I'm back today with another video, this time to teach you about how to make a paper piano. Now, you might think that a paper piano is a bit silly. After all, a piano is a really big and complex instrument made up of a bunch of different materials. But today's craft is just for fun, and to help you learn a little bit more about music. Without further ado, let's get started.
Before we draw a piano, we need to know what it is. Pianos come in all shapes and sizes. They can be grand or upright, and if they're not acoustic, they can be electric too. Some instruments, like organs and harpsichords, look like pianos, but are slightly different. Acoustic pianos make sound by a hammer hitting a string when you play a note. This mechanism is called an action. Let's see what it looks like when we do that. By hitting the keyboard, the pianist tells the hammer to hit the string and make music. That's a little bit complicated to build on your first try though. It takes a lot of skill to make. So for our piano, we'll be focusing on the keyboard and this particular part called a scale. A scale is a sequence of 7 unrepeated consecutive notes. It's like a building block of the piano. If you continue to repeat this set of notes, you can build a keyboard. You could say it makes a pattern. Now that we know what a piano is, let's get our materials and make our own. For this craft, you'll need rectangular pieces of paper, some markers, and a ruler and pencil. Now that we have what we need, let's begin. Start by folding your paper the long way, like a hot dog bun. Next, we'll plan where our keys will go. Measure your paper and divide it into 7 even sections. This might take some math. Since my paper was 28 centimeters long, my keys were 4 centimeters long. Next, we have to plan where the black keys go. On the piano, the black keys represent sharp and flat notes. You'll notice that the black keys are shorter than the white keys on a real piano. So let's show that in our paper version. I measured halfway the width of the paper, which was about 5.4 centimeters. I made a mark on either side, then drew a line between the two across the paper. Next, I had to determine where the keys went. Let's look at the piano again. The black notes are not between every white key. There are groups. There's a group of 2 on the left side and a group of 3 on the right. So, let's draw them. They're a little smaller than the white keys, so I made them 3 centimeters long. Since they're in the middle of the white keys, I measured using the lines I drew for the white keys as a midpoint and drew out. This way, I made sure that the black keys were in the center of the white keys. Time to check in. Do you need to go back and review something? Feel free to do so at any time. You can always ask for help from a friend or family member too, or take a break. If you're ready, let's continue. Our piano doesn't necessarily look like a piano yet, so let's color it in and fill in the lines. Looking good. Let's add notes so we know which notes belong to which key. You can use whatever colors you think look best with the letter. The first note is C. Then it goes D, E, F, G, like the alphabet. After G, start at A and then B. For a challenge, label the black keys by unfolding your piano and writing the names. If the key is diagonally right to the white key, that means it's sharp. If it's diagonally left, that means it's flat. We're all done making our craft. So, before we start playing, let's clean up. It's important to clean up after yourself because it shows you're responsible. Now we can play our piano together. Let's hum or sing the notes. Let's start with the scale. You might notice that as you climb up the scale, we're missing the top note. Just pretend it's there. You can also make more keyboards and put them on the beginning or end of your keyboard to make a longer keyboard with more notes. For now, let's sing the scale together. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You could also sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. We can try an arpeggio. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. We can sing a pentascale, which is a scale made up of 5 notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. We can even sing all the steps in a scale, called a 12-tone scale. Do, di, re, mi, fa, mi, sol, si, la, li, ti, do, do, ti, te, la, le, sol, se, fa, mi, le, re, ra, do. That one was really difficult. Did you get it? Continue to challenge yourself with different notes and make up different melodies with the paper piano using the notes of the scale.
Thanks for making a paper piano with me, and I hope to see you again sometime soon. See you around!